Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Verify you have the browser you want installed and synced so bookmarks and passwords move with you. Once done, open your operating system settings. On Windows, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and on macOS, open System Settings General. You'll start by locating the current default web browser entry. This step matters because the system-level default controls which app opens links from emails, documents, and other programs. Now you'll pick the new default. In Default Apps, click the current browser name, then select your preferred browser from the choices shown. Some systems ask you to confirm. Make sure to change both HTTP and HTTPS handlers, otherwise some links still open in the old browser. If the browser asks to set itself as default, accept. This ensures links, files, and web-related tasks consistently open in the browser you chose. Finish by testing. Click a web link in an email or document to confirm it launches your chosen browser. Then open that browser's settings to import bookmarks, sign into your account, and enable extensions so your workflow matches. If links still open in the old browser, make sure no enterprise policy or app override exists. Reinstalling the browser or resetting default app associations usually fixes stubborn cases. If problems persist, restart the system and reapply the default to clear cached settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.